Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasic. In this video we will be learning how to sign up for Hope Scholarship account. To sign up for Hope Scholarship account, first of all go ahead and open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in gafutures.org and search. You will now end up in the official website for Georgia Student Finance Commission. Go ahead and click on Create an Account button at the top right corner of the screen. On the next page, start creating an account by choosing whether you are a student, education professional, or a general user. After making a selection, you'll need to fill in the form displayed on the screen in order to start creating your account. First of all, go ahead and type in your first name. On the next field, type in your email address, your alternate email address, re-enter your email address, and other information. Once you are done, click the next button. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and choose a security question and its answer. Go ahead and create your first security questions and answer. Similarly, you'll also need to create 3 security questions and answer on this page and click next. On the next step, you will need to create a username and password. Go ahead and select a username and type it down in the text box. Create a password for your account on the next field. Re-enter the password on the next one. Also make sure to include these criteria in your password, otherwise you will not be able to create a strong password for your account. After you type in a strong password, make sure to re-enter it on the next field and type in your social security number. Re-enter it again to confirm. Select your city, country, state or province, enter your zip code and mobile number on the text boxes. Go ahead and check on the last box to acknowledge that you have read and accepted the terms of use and privacy statement of the website, and go through the CAPTCHA by clicking on I'm not a robot, and finally click the create account button in order to complete your registration. And that way you will be able to create your Hope Scholarship account. After you create your account, you can then go ahead and apply for Hope Scholarship. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.